Too close. Do we need to make it too close? Yeah, even my feet. Hello. Kamusta po kayo mga madlang people? This is Nelson Cabanag. Nelson TV. What's that again? Official. Ay, kung nagustuhan yung vlog na to, please press like and share and comment down below. Tama yan, di ba?
Ano yan?
Hi! I'm here again. Nodding. Too much ata yung ilaw kasi. I think the light, nasisilaw ako. Yan, ganyan, medyo, yan, ganyan.